that's called a top hold, isn't it?
Bring it round, do that, hold it.
Okay.
Okay, with these two fingers, do that and let go, let it bounce on your wrist and then so like more on your knuckles. So it'll go like that, then it'll bounce here, then let it bounce back and then catch it.
Okay.
So like that. I'm alright with them, but like when you do that, then catch that one and do it like that.
Oh, you nearly did it.
Like that, and then just keep doing it.
So what do you think they're good for?
Mostly like concentration, I think. I
Yeah.
can like do it without looking.
Do you think they're good and people need to have them?
Yeah.
Okay, so out of fidget spinners and nunchucks, which ones are better? Thumbchucks or fidget spinners?
Yeah. Probably thumbchucks.
Thumbchucks. And why?
Well, fidget spinners, like all you do is that really, and just hold it and like throw up in the air and catch it. Whereas these, there's like loads and loads of different tricks that you can do.
So you'd say they're worthwhile getting?
Yeah. Whereas fidget spinners, some can like snap and break. Whereas these, like if this bit like just comes off, you can easily put it back on.
Okay.
So like if you wanted to, if you had two pairs, like one blue and one red, you could take one off and then put one on there. So it'd be like a blue and red one.
Okay.
And like there's loads of different colours. I think there's a blue one, orange one, red one. Is there a green one? A pink one maybe?
I'm sure there is.
There's like quite a few different colours.
We will drop a link below to them, Chuck, so you can have a look at them.
Follow them on Instagram. Hi. Hello.
Hi, babes.